Hey there, gadget gurus! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we put the pro in product comparisons to help you make smarter choices. Today, we're soaring high with two sky-high contenders, the SYMA drone and the Holy Stone drone HS430. It's a drone showdown you don't want to miss. Will it be SYMA's stable glory or Holy Stone's compact charisma? Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a flight. First up, camera quality. Both these drones are strutting their stuff with 1080p HD cameras. SYMA here promises stable and clearer views, kind of like the drone version of your overachieving cousin who's always bragging on social media. It even has FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission, so you can feel like you're actually in the drone. Talk about a bird's eye view. Reviewers appreciate the quality camera and find it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Holy Stone HS430, on the other hand, packs a punch with its mini drone with camera. This guy is all about compact convenience, perfect for those who think size doesn't matter. Smooth FPV transmission? Check. Ready for your Instagram story? Double check. It's like the pocket rocket of drones. Reviewers highlight its nice camera and good still photos, although some noted the stability could be improved. Next, let's talk battery life. SYMA flexes with two powerful batteries that keep you flying for up to 40 minutes. That's right, folks, 40 minutes. Enough time to film your entire neighborhood's reaction to your sweet drone skills. Reviewers note that the battery life is decent, and the package includes two batteries, although recharging can be cumbersome. Holy Stone isn't slouching either, offering nearly half an hour of flight time with its two modular LiPo batteries. It's like the Energizer Bunny of drones. Just keeps going and going. Plus, it has built-in chips for over-voltage protection. Safety first, because no one wants their drone to go from up, up, and away to down, down, and ouch. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time with 3 batteries, although some noted the drone can be a bit loud due to its power. Now, for all you newbies out there, ease of use is crucial. SYMA's got your back with headless mode, altitude mode, and a one-key to takeoff/land function. It's so user-friendly, even your grandma could fly it, and she barely knows how to use her smartphone. Reviewers find it suitable for young pilots and beginners, noting its user-friendly features and decent battery life. Holy Stone's HS430 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch. Plus, it does circle fly and high-speed rotation stunts with just a press of a button. It's like the James Bond of drones. Sophisticated, yet ready to do some serious spy moves. Oh, and did I mention you can literally throw it in the air to start flying? Just toss it like a frisbee and watch it go. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use out of the box and find it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Special features, anyone? SYMA's got smart app control, where you can draw a flight path on your phone and watch the drone obediently follow it. It's like having a pet that actually listens to you. Plus, it's equipped with advanced optical flow positioning for stable hovering. Fancy, right? Reviewers highlight its strong sensors and object avoidance capabilities, making it a good option for those looking for a user-friendly drone for kids. Holy Stone HS430 is the king of fun features. High-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, gravity sensor mode, throw to go, and even VR mode. It's like they threw in everything but the kitchen sink. At this point, I wouldn't be surprised if it could also make a mean cup of coffee. Reviewers appreciate the plethora of features, which make it a fun and engaging drone for beginners. Both the SYMA drone and Holy Stone drone HS430 have received positive feedback from users. SYMA is praised for its stability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners, while Holystone is lauded for its compact design, extended flight time, and versatile features. So there you have it, folks. The SYMA drone offers stability, longer flight times, and user-friendly features, while the Holystone HS430 brings portability, a plethora of fun functions, and a whole lot of bang for your buck. Who's the winner? Well, that's up to you and what you value more in a drone. Are you Team SYMA or Team Holystone? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for flying with us today on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another high-flying comparison. Until next time, keep soaring high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.